meteorologist and storm tracker who forecasted and followed the storm starting Friday, joins us now. Brett, thank you for being here, sir.
Thank you, guys.
All right, listen, man. So we were on the air and we were covering this thing as it got going, and your images were some of the first that we saw to come out of this storm. As you were running up on this thing, when did you realize that this was truly something that would end up being historic?
We know, Nick, we followed this storm all the way back from Arkansas as it really started to form. We watched it on radar back southwest of Little Rock during the afternoon hours, and it started to pick up some steam and move toward the Jonesboro vicinity. And we moved, and get in position to, get that storm as it was maturing, starting to rotate. And that was a very big factor. We knew the tornado threat was ramping up. We knew that it was going to be overnight, which was a problem. And, unfortunately, we started seeing tornadoes touch down and track those through the Missouri Boot Hill, where we really got the best visual as it crossed Interstate 55. This was after it hit the nursing home in Monette, Arkansas, and unfortunately caused the injuries and fatalities there. But, we saw that this thing just had a massive debris cloud at the bottom, and we basically watched cars get blown off of the interstate. And my guys, we kind of turned and looked at each other and were like, man, this is a real deal. But we really didn't realize the scope, I don't think, of the damage and the track of this thing until a little bit later on, once the tornado started to move into Kentucky, because that tornado just, stayed on the ground, chewing up, the landscape, and every damage path we would cross. Once we got to Mayfield, it was just obliterated there at the candle factory. And a lot of the trees on Interstate 69, we had to cut our way in to even get there and help law enforcement get in to get to the factory there so that they could, start their search and rescue operations. It was just really horrific to kind of watch unfold, right before your eyes.
And in your, you've done this before, right? You are a professional. You know what to be looking for when you're chasing these tornadoes. At what point with this one did you look at it and think this is different than all the others? What key signatures did this specific tornado have that maybe some of the others haven't in the past for you?
Well, it's really rare that you get a storm, a supercell thunderstorm that has nothing out in front of it. A lot of times you'll see these things get cut off by rain or showers or other thunderstorms, and it'll cut the tornado off. But when we're watching this thing on radar and then watching what's happening in front of us as we're driving toward it, it didn't have anything to block that warm, moist air, that flow into it that would keep it going. And, we were looking out ahead up into Kentucky, and we're like, man, there's really nothing to stop this storm. And, unfortunately, watching those signatures, those debris balls, as we call them on the radar, go through Mayfield and just continue county after county, as it continued on. I mean, we knew that we had to be looking at something more substantial, severe, and, higher end. This is going to be a higher end tornado. I can guarantee that. We ran into the National Weather Service today on the ground in a couple of locations, Princeton being one, which is 60, 70 miles northeast of Mayfield. That tornado was still on the ground at that point. So that gives you some scope as to what, we're dealing with. And it's going to take the Weather Service quite some time to get a true rating out of this whole path.
I think it might be worthwhile to talk about how you chased this storm, right? Because I think a lot of people are probably thinking, why in the world, would you put your life in danger to chase this storm? But the way you do it, I mean, you're a trained professional. You've done this forever, and you're doing things the smart way, right? You're coming at the storm from behind, right? Not up front.
Well, most definitely. We took the back side of the storm because, obviously once nightfall started to set in, that is a primary hazard that you deal with. And then if you get into the core of the storm, you're dealing with the heavy rain, and you wouldn't see the tornado coming at you. From our perspective on the southern flank, we were able to see it illuminated very well because there was a lot of lightning. That was one thing that's typically not in place during these December events is a lot of instability. You have wind shear, but you don't typically have instability. And we just had a ton of that. As late as midnight, 1, 2 in the morning, this thing continued to rake on toward the northeast. So we were able to hang with it, literally chase this thing through 4 states, went from Arkansas to the Boot Hill through northwest Tennessee and then up into Kentucky before we got stopped in Mayfield. And once we got to that damage where we knew that people needed help, that's when, we're chasers, and we're relaying information to you guys, the National Weather Service, but we do not want to leave people in need. So, we put our first responder hats on and jumped out and started to help those people there, specifically at the candle plant.
Brett, I feel like both of us could talk to you for hours, and hopefully we'll be able to talk to you again throughout the week. But thank you for your coverage. Nick and I, at times, were literally left speechless by the illuminated tornado there, and so we just appreciate you and all that you do. So, thank you for bringing us that.
Tell your cat we said good evening as well.
Was that a cat or a dog? I couldn't tell. Okay.
Like a cat,
I just
yeah.
saw the fur on the
That
end.
was my cat. She had to make a cameo.
There you go, a catio, as we like to say here. All right, thank you so much, Brett.
Thanks, guys.